This standing planter is just the thing for planting bulbs, small plants or saplings without ever having to bend or kneel down. It does all the hard work for you. In a Now Bulb Planter review, we awarded it a BBC Gardener's World magazine Best Buy for ease of use. Made from light, rust-free aluminium with fibre composite parts, it's really easy to use, and although it might look unwieldy and a bit of a contraption, it works really well. One of a range of Fiskars tools that are designed to make life easier, this is ideal for anyone with mobility issues or back trouble, but it's also great if you've got a lot of planting to do, like naturalising bulbs in the lawn. It's so easy to use. All you do is push the planter straight into the soil, bring it towards you until you hear the pedal click, and this opens the mouth of the planter and makes a hole. So you just drop your bulb down into the tube and into the ground. Take the planter out and tap the soil back over the hole with your foot. There are no depth markings on here as you might get with some other planters, and as most bulbs are planted around 2.5–3 times their depth, the 150mm length of this is good for bigger bulbs like daffodils and tulips. Although I guess you could plant crocus bulbs, you would just need to gauge it and not put the planter all the way into the ground. This isn't cheap. It's currently priced at $54.99. But it comes with a 25-year warranty, and for its simplicity and sheer ergonomic ease, we love it. There's no bending or kneeling, just really easy planting.